Be strong.
Guys, I'm back again with a DIY hair mask that I'm going to be using on my kid's hair today. So this is rice. This rice, I washed it, I soaked it in this jar for 3 days. If you like, you can soak it for more than 3 days, but I soaked it in this jar for 3 days, and after the third day, which is today, I'm going to be using it. So I'm simply going to, as you see, I'm pouring out the rice and the water, rice and water mixed together. I'm pouring them out. After that, I take away the orange peel that I used to conserve the, rice water has pungent smell, guys. So because of that, I added some orange peel. So you remove the orange peel and then you put it in a blender and you blend it. So guys, I've finished blending. When it's smooth, when you think it's okay, you sieve it out, you sieve out the water. We don't want to add these residues into your hair because it's going to be quite a hectic process trying to remove these residues if you don't do this sieving process. So after sieving the rice, separating the rice from the water, I'm going to cut my aloe vera leaf into smaller portions. So with these smaller portions I'm cutting, after that I'm simply going to cut it open from the middle and bring out the aloe vera gel. This is the aloe vera gel, and that's what we need. So when you bring out the aloe vera gel, you put it in the mixer, the blender, sorry, whatever you're using to blend it together, because I'm going to be blending. So you put it in there. When you put it in there, you see how slimy that is. After you must have put it in there, you put in your avocado. Avocado, guys, is so good for the hair. It has good vitamins and minerals that are good for your hair. So when I put in my avocado, I'm going to pour in my rice water, and then I pour in my olive oil. That is the third ingredient for this hair mask. So I'm going to blend everything together now, and you see how it will look. Simply going to blend everything together, the rice water, the avocado, the aloe vera, and some olive oil. That's everything we have here. So guys, after that, you put it in a bowl, any bowl you can use to apply it. You can't use applicator for this because it's thick, so we are going to be using a bowl and we are going to apply it with our hands. I'm going to show you shortly how I apply it on my kids' hair. So guys, let's talk about the mix that we have here. So what we have here, rice is so good for the hair. Avocado has some good vitamins and minerals that helps your hair to grow. All these things, the basic benefits of these things is that it prevents hair loss and promotes the growth of your hair. So guys, it's time to apply it on the kids' hair. You see this hair? We have been transitioning for some months now. Yes, because formerly this hair was damaged with chemicals. I mean relaxer, what we call relaxer in Africa. So these things damaged my kid's hair. So I've been transitioning her hair back to its naturals. So you won't believe it, I didn't have to cut her hair, guys. Good news is you don't have to cut your hair if it was damaged. Not unless it's so bad, maybe you got bald. But even if you did, I think it can still grow, guys. That's the good news here because I've tried it. So this is all I've been doing. This particular mix is what I've been using, and some other things that I may still bring in to show you guys on this channel. So I'm simply going to be applying it on her hair generously. You apply it on the hair. For me, I don't go in with my comb immediately. I just simply keep applying the stuff till I part with my hands, I apply, I part with my hands, I apply, and I try to detangle with my hands too, as not to apply too much of force on the hair. Because what I came to realize is that you need to pamper your hair. Yes, guys, you need to pamper your hair if you want your hair to be healthy and grow. So I'm simply going to be applying it on all parts of her hair. That's the third section because I sectioned this hair into 3 sections. So that is the third section. So I'm going to be applying it generously, as I said earlier. So after I must have finished applying it, then I'm going to go in with the comb. That's what we are going to be doing, guys. So watch me as I continue applying it on her hair. You see that there's not much breakage. The breakage in the hair has gone so down. Formerly this hair was breaking badly, guys. I don't even know, because I wish I had pictures or videos of what I'm talking about, but believe me when I tell you that the hair has really improved. Yes, because I used to see these things on YouTube of how people will say they use this and their hair grow and their hair stop breaking. But guys, it took me trying it to really know if these reports we have been getting is real. And me, I'm coming out here to put out these videos and to still tell anyone who's going to watch my video to be rest assured that these things work. You only have to take out your time and do them. It works well, yes. So I'm simply going to be massaging this hair. I'm going to massage her hair. After I massage her hair, before I go in with the comb, I'm doing all this so that I make sure that the hair has become a little bit softened with the mixture I applied on her hair, so that it will not break when I pass the comb to it. You see my big tooth comb I'm passing on the hair, it's not breaking. So this is what we have been doing for some months now. So when we do that, and then when I finish washing the hair, I trim out some parts. That's what we have been doing. We apply, we take care of the hair, and then we trim. So that's how I've succeeded in almost taking away all the damaged hair. As you can see from this video, the hair is almost going back to natural. It's back to natural. Like, I can really see my baby's hair is back to natural. Yes, guys, it's no longer damaged. So guys, I'm just going to comb her hair, comb out the hairs to make sure there are no more tangles, and then I'm going to cover it and let this sit for some hours. Yes, you see, there's not a lot of breakage. Because of the mixture I've been using on the hair has regained its vigor, its strength. It's become more strengthened, and it's full. It grows, like it's growing so fast. So as you can see, I've finished passing the big tooth comb. I'm going to comb it further when I finish rinsing out this mixture. I don't want to comb the hair too much now, because I want the mixture to go into the hair first, and then when we are washing, then we can comb it thoroughly again. All these are just not to cause the hair to break. So guys, we are through with that. I'm just going to cover the hair, let it sit for some minutes, and then I wash it out. And that's all we are going to be doing. Thank you very much for watching. And after that, guys, we are simply going to go and make her hair. See, that's my client of the day, satisfied client. See how happy she is. We finished making the hair. This was the next day anyway. I washed the hair and then I let it dry. Yes, I just cut it into, I'm sorry I couldn't show that, because this kid she doesn't play with her hair. The way she will feel so discomforted when you keep doing a lot of things on her hair. So I simply washed, I part the hair to smaller sections and I packed it. So the next day I went ahead to braid it like this. So she'll be having this braid on for some time before we go back to doing the process again with other things. So guys, thank you very much for watching. And please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and share this video with your friends. Yes, it's real. There's no magic to it. It's real. You just have to put in the work. Thank you so very much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so very much for watching. And I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so very much. I love you all. Bye.